Hi everyone, my name's Doug and I'm here to give you my first impressions on these new tires from Kumho Tire, the Crugen HP71 EV. Now, one concern that many EV owners have is how often they have to replace their tires. EVs tend to be heavier because of the weight of the battery packs, which can increase how fast tires wear out. And for someone like me who drives a lot, that is a concern. I don't want to replace my tires more than usual, which is why a tire that wasn't designed for EVs wasn't an option for me. However, since we equipped this Audi Q4 e-tron with Kumho's Crugen HP71 EV tire, I have more confidence than ever that these tires will last and perform well during their entire lifespan. Now jump in with me to learn more about Kumho's Crugen HP71 EV tire. You'd be surprised at what a huge difference EV tires make. For example, the EV is very quiet, and road noise reduction in tires is very important to me. One of the big reasons customers should consider the Crugen HP71 EV tires is because they feature Kumho's K-Silent technology, which helps to reduce cabin noise and enhance ride comfort, thanks to a sound-absorbing foam material inside the tires. And it makes a huge difference. On top of that, these tires also feature Kumho's resonance noise canceller ribs in the main tread grooves, which can help to reduce road noise, as well as a multi-pitch tread block variation, which helps to minimize tire humming. And when I say these tires deliver a quiet ride, I really mean it. The quiet ride is only one part of my equation for customers when finding the perfect EV tire for their SUV. In response to concerns about range from EV owners, Kumho developed a compound designed to help improve driving range in EVs. In fact, if you can believe it, Kumho's EV tread compounds reduce rolling resistance by up to 24% on the Crugen HP71 EV. Now let's talk about the grip and wear characteristics of this tire. Thanks to the tire's optimized contact patch design, the even weight distribution across the tire contact patch also helps to ensure even tread wear across all four tires and improves performance features like handling and stability. The tire's 3D chamfered tread blocks offer cut and chip resistance while also helping to reduce sipe wear. Sipes provide better traction on wet surfaces, and where I live, you never know when a storm will roll around. So I need tires that will perform no matter the conditions. Plus, these tires come with a 50,000-mile tread wear warranty. Remember how I said customers often worry about having to replace tires often with EVs? Well, I don't have to worry about that with these tires. The Crugen HP71 EV tire lineup is available today in 24 sizes, ranging from 19 to 22 inches. The company has also recently debuted the Solus TA91 EV for coupes, sedans, and CUVs, which features the same combination of low noise with K-Silent technology, high efficiency thanks to reduced rolling resistance compounds, enhanced grip due to the contact patch design, and wear resistance with the 3D chamfered tread blocks. I'd recommend the Crugen HP71 EV to anyone looking for a new, long-lasting, and reliable set of tires for their EV SUV.